So today I'm about to show you how to fix Hytale failed to connect server step by step. This issue is usually caused by network configuration problems or system sync issues. I'll walk you through the exact fixes you need to try. Right, let's get started. First thing you need to do is go to search bar, look for view network connections. From here, find your active network connection. For example, if you're using internet, right-click on Ethernet, then select properties. Next, look for Internet Protocol version 4. Click on it, then select properties. From here, toggle use the following DNS server addresses. On preferred DNS server, type 8888. On alternate DNS server, type 8844. Make sure validate settings upon exit is checked. Then click OK. If that didn't work, go back to the search bar and look for date and time setting. Make sure set time automatically and set time zone automatically is both turned on. Then scroll down to additional settings, click sync now, and wait for it to complete. If it still doesn't work, try to update your Hytale launcher. After updating, restart the launcher and try connecting again. That's it. That's how you fix Hytale failed to connect to server step by step. These fixes help resolve DNS issues, time sync problems, and launcher-related errors. This helped you out? Please like, subscribe, and comment down below what other topic you want me to break down next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.